What's going on, everyone? Javin here, and today we're going to be going over a trade we took on USDCAD this morning. We took a 1 hour $200 put and a 1 hour $100 put, and you can see that both of our trades did close in profit. The reason we took two trades was because I simply wasn't going to be behind the charts and I had to leave soon. So I went ahead and entered early and doubled the usual time that I like to take on my trades, just to make sure that I gave the market enough time to come into the zone that I was waiting for. And then right before I left, I checked my charts one more time and saw that price had entered the area I was waiting for. So I went ahead and took another trade. This was a really simple trade. If we look back in the past, we can see that we had this huge area of consolidation while we were in a pretty steep uptrend, and we can see that price was moving very rapidly and very aggressively up. So I simply waited for price to return back to this area, and while I was waiting for that to happen, I noticed that we got this head and shoulders pattern right here. I simply identified the neckline, which was roughly in this area right here, and I basically waited for the pullback, but I knew I was going to leave. So once price started pulling back, I went ahead and entered. And then once again, I checked the charts, right before I left, and price had entered that area that I was waiting for. So I placed another trade, and we can see that the trades did close in profit, and then price returned back to that area because of that head and shoulders formation. And then price continued going upward just as I had predicted. So this was a really simple trade. We were just in an aggressive uptrend. We had this huge area of consolidation that I was waiting for price to return to, so I was already looking for an opportunity to sell. And then we got this head and shoulders pattern right here. And another thing to notice, on top of having this neckline right here that we were waiting for price to return to for this formation, we also had this imbalance in the market, which price did end up filling right over here, roughly where we hit our second put, which is another reason why I decided to enter right there, on top of already wanting price to go down because of this formation in general. So this was a super easy trade. If you guys have any questions over anything at all in this video, please drop a comment below and I'll get back with you as soon as possible.